So hello guys, this is Jerome Mupat and I'm going to demonstrate how to use a multimeter to measure resistance. So first step is plug the test leads into COM or the black wire and the positive socket. So that's the first step. Then second step is place the range selector to describe range position. So we're going to measure ohms. So place the selector into the ohms. So the third step is short the test leads and turn 0 ohms adjustment to set the pointer to 0 ohms position. Short, as you can see. So let's adjust. That's it. And step number 4 is make sure that there is no voltage across the circuit to be tested. So this. Then the last step is connect the test leads to the tested resistor and read the scale in accordance with the reference table. So let's read. So meet this one because we want to be in the middle almost. So that's it. 9 ohms times the selector is 1k. So 9 times 1k equals 9,000 ohms. So 9,000 ohms is the value of this resistor. So that's all.